Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to see Wi-Fi passwords on mobile. We will use Android mobile, and in order to see Wi-Fi password on mobile, your mobile phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi. This is very useful in case you forgot your Wi-Fi password, but you have your mobile phone that is connected to your Wi-Fi, and so you can see Wi-Fi password from your phone. To do that, I'll show you two methods. Number one, if your phone is rooted, go to Play Store, search Explore File Manager. Explore File Manager app. Install and open it. It will ask for permissions, grant permissions. After that, go to root folder, then data folder, then miscellaneous folder, and then Wi-Fi folder. There, open a file that will be named as Wi-Fi configstore.xml in the Wi-Fi folder. It will show the password as value for the pre-shared key name. Look for pre-shared key name in the file. It will show password. This is first method. Second method does not require a rooted phone, and it can be used on any Android phone. So to see the Wi-Fi password, go to Wi-Fi, long press Wi-Fi icon to see the connected Wi-Fi, or go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. Press gear icon in front of connected Wi-Fi. Press QR code from the bottom. Take a screenshot by swiping over screen or use power button and down volume key at the same time. You can also press Save as Image option at the bottom of this screen to save this image. QR code will be saved in your gallery. Check in the gallery for the image. If it's full image, you can crop the image for QR code only. Now go to google.com by using Chrome web browser in your Android phone. Search for QR code scanner. Select any tool, upload QR code, and it will show the result. That will display the Wi-Fi password. So this is how you can view the Wi-Fi password in mobile. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.